Hello and welcome to another update video about Terra Luna. Just want to give you a heads up because yesterday I did a video and we were getting close to this support line here, this ascending support line of this ascending channel within which we are currently moving and trading. So a few things I want to just repeat. At the moment, with regards to possible trade entry, I personally would wait a little bit, and there are a few reasons for that. First of all, we can see that here on the daily we are having a bearish divergence, right? We're making higher highs on the price, but we've actually made lower highs here on the RSI, right? So that is important to note. That's important to see that we are developing a bearish divergence here at the moment. I mean, yeah, we've come from the overbought range, so it's a bit, we just need to see. And also we are currently finding support here on the 50 line of the RSI. In my view, that's important, that's good. Seem to stay in the bullish range, so we might just be coiling up for another move to the upside, but I would just want to wait. We've also received a short signal here on the ADX, and also we've made a bearish crossover on the MACD. So all of these things aren't really great. The only good thing is that we seem to find support here on the 50 line of the RSI, which is basically the bullish range, and also that we've got the 50-day moving average here currently below us, just below us, providing support together with the ascending channel support line here. Few good things, few things that are not so good. So that is why, and you can also see the market is not very decisive here at the moment. You can see the very small body of the candle and the wick to the upside and the downside. So it's really just moving sideways at the moment, finding support still, but a little bit of indecision here. What's going on now? Are we continuing our way to the upside, or are we dropping down? I did say in my previous video, if we drop, I think we can actually drop down to quite sharply. So first of all, could drop really to that level $33 here, and if we lose that, I think we can actually, I think we could actually drop to $22, $23. I think that would be quite a sharp drop we could have here. However, at the moment we're holding the support here at the moment, and I would just want to wait a little bit just to see a buy signal here potentially. I'm holding on to my Terra Luna. I bought them when I made my first video because it really looked nice and bullish, and we've been talking about potential breakouts on this channel since the first video, and that eventually happened. So now we're just tracking it in this channel here at the moment. And I think when you have a channel like that, you can potentially do a bit of a trade, enter a trade when you get to this, you have a pullback to this trend line here, and I think from here we will probably move to the upside, but the indicators are just showing a little bit of a indecision, I would say. Just want to mention that. And let's take a look at the short term time frame, and there you go. You can see just the confirmation that we just find the support here, made here a low, a high, a pretty much low on the same level, a higher high, which is good, a higher low as well, but now we've dropped down a little bit more again. And that's why there is a bit of an indecision here at the moment going on. This is the 1 hour chart, so today there was a lot of up and down. Not really sure here, are we holding this level or not? We're also approaching a horizontal support here horizontal resistance here at $40, which is probably why we're struggling a little bit as well. So it just remains to be seen. So it's a bit neutral at the moment. I would want to see if we really find our way away from this ascending channel, and in terms of potentially trading and setting a stop loss, I would probably set it below this former low, probably around $32 or so, just far away, far enough away from this low so that it doesn't accidentally, if it should really have a bit of a fake out to the downside, that it triggers the stop loss. If you do trading, that's what I would do. I always try to hide it away from the last low, oftentimes, and that normally works quite well. If it's too close, it can be accidentally triggered if the price briefly drops to a certain level. But bullish on Terra Luna, certainly. I think we're going to carry on here in our move to the upside. I think there could be a nice pump to the upside coming that would take us in the next move to the upside to around $50, I think. That could certainly happen, but we need to hold this level, of course. So I would want to see a bit more confirmation that we see this level holding, and then I think we can be sure that we're gonna go up. The alt season is still coming. I did say that in a previous video. We're currently transitioning from the Bitcoin season into the alt season on the alt season indicator chart, and if that is coming, you know, I think Terra Luna could really see some very nice moves to the upside. And yeah, I think it can do really well. I think we could even see the, well, I think in the next move we can even see the $50 here to the upside of the channel. And you know, I think $100 for this crypto is not, you know, nothing too significant. You know, it's not unrealistic. That's what I think in the near future. All right, so hopefully you liked that video about Terra Luna. If you liked it, please smash the like button, subscribe as well, and if you really like the content, maybe you consider joining as a channel member. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.